This video is sponsored by Brilliant. In this video, we'll see how to add automations to your GPT with GPT actions. Actions allow GPTs to interact with other apps, and in this case, we'll use Zapier actions to automate sending emails. But you could follow the same steps I'm going to show you in this tutorial to connect to Google Sheets, Drive, Calendar, and other apps. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing we have to do is add Zapier actions to your GPT. Let's say that you don't have a GPT and we're going to create one from scratch. So we go here to the left bar, we open the sidebar, click on Explore, then we click on Create a GPT. And then we have to go to Configure. And well, the steps are going to be the same if you have already a GPT. You click on Configure and then you scroll all the way down and go to Actions. And here we have to click on Create New Action. So now we have to add a URL. Here there are some examples you can add, for example, this JSON or these other formats, but here we have to add the URL that we get from Zapier to connect to Zapier Actions. So I'm going to this website and I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description of this video. And what we have to do is copy this link, and this link is in the Get Started section. So I'm going to copy this and we have to paste this in Import from URL. So I paste the link and then click on Import. And then we're going to see a bunch of text. And this is all the text that we get. We have to leave this as is. And then we're going to see also that if we scroll down, we get this get and post methods. We leave everything as is. And then we click on save. And with this, we connect to Zapier actions. So here I cannot save this, but I can click on back and I can continue editing my GPT. All right, and that's it for step one. If you scroll all the way down, you're going to see that in actions, now we have actions.zapier.com. And with that, step one is done. So for step two, we have to write the instructions. If you don't have a GPT, you have these instructions empty. And if you already are working with the GPT, you should have something here. It doesn't matter, it's the same. Then for step two, we have to write instructions from Zapier. We go to the same website again and we scroll down until we go to, or we reach to instructions, template for AI actions. And this is what we have to copy. So we have to copy the rules. All of this we copy and then we paste it in instructions. Again, if you have your GPT with the instructions already written, what you have to do is paste this at bottom of the instructions. So here it goes any of the instructions and at the end the rules. And here we have to make some little changes. So everything should be the same except for the required actions. As you can see here, we have here action number 1 and confirmation link number 1. And then we have the same action number 2 and confirmation link number 2. So this is the format that you have to follow. I'm going to delete this. So I'm going to delete this too. And then that's it. So you have to leave action, then the colon, and then confirmation link colon. So here you have to type the name of your action and then you have to paste the link of your action. And in case you have more actions, what you have to do is simply copy this and paste it below. So you can add as many as you want. And that's it for step 2. And now in step 3, what we have to do is create an action on the Zapier website. And there we're going to get the name of the action and the link. So here we go to this website again, and we can get the link here. And I'm going to leave the link on the description. This is the link in purple, so you can open a new link, a new tab, and then paste this and you're gonna get this. So in your case, probably you're gonna get a page where you have to give permission. You only have to click on allow, and after you click on allow, you're gonna get this website, this page. But in your case, you're not gonna see any action here listed. I have 3 already created because I created before making this tutorial, but you should see an empty list. So here what you have to do is click on add new action. And here, if you want to send an email, you have to type the action or the app that you want to connect to. So here I can write Gmail and I just have to wait some seconds, and then you're gonna see the name of the app and also the action that you can do. So in this case, the action is very simple, is send email. So I can click on send email, and then you're gonna see this Gmail account. You have to connect to your Gmail account, And well, you can click on connect new in case you haven't connected yet, and then log into your Gmail account. And then you have other fields like to, subject, and body, and you can leave these fields as is. Have AI guess a value for these fields. So in this case, ChatGPT is going to guess the values for these fields based on the prompt that you give. And finally, what we have to do is click on enable action to enable this action. But before you do this, you have to click on show all options. And here you scroll all the way down, and here you have to name your action. In this case, I'm going to name it as send email tutorial because I already have one with this name. And this is the name of my action. And then I can enable this action by clicking here. So once I click here, you're going to see that you have a new action, send email tutorial. And well, this has the green button here. It's enabled. And now we have to get the name of the action and also the link. And we're going to paste them here, action and link. And what we have to do is just click on our action and then copy the link that we have here. We copy this and we paste it in confirmation link. And then the name of the action, we said it before, is this one, send email. And then we paste this one. And with this, the default instructions from Zapier is completed. And with this, step 3 is done. Of course, assuming that you have the instructions of your GPT. So here you should have your own instructions besides the Zapier instructions. But for this simple tutorial, I'm just going to leave this as is without any other instruction. I'm just going to leave Zapier instructions and I'm going to fill these GPTs. Then I can click on save, then only me, publish to only me. And with this, we added the Zapier action to our GPT and we can automatically send emails. And now it's time to test your GPT. Since I didn't add my own instructions in the GPT, I only left the Zapier instructions. I have to specify anything here in the prompt in the GPT. So here, what I'm going to write is send an email, hello world to, and here then I have to specify that email. In this case, it doesn't have to be a Gmail. So I'm going to type that email that I'm going to send this hello world. So here I typed the email and now I'm going to continue with this test. So here I press enter and well, now I reached the usage cap for GPT-4. So I cannot demonstrate this right now, but I can show you that this actually works because I did some previous tests. Here I have the previous test I did, the same prompt, send an email hello world to this email, and then I got the email with the subject hello world has been successfully sent to this email. And if I go to my email here, you can see hello world, and you can see also here my Gmail account, and also you can see the message hello world. And with this, you can see that the email was sent successfully. Alright, today we're seeing how to automate tasks with ChatGPT. If you like to create more complex automations using AI, I recommend you to learn the tech stuff behind AI tools like ChatGPT. And a free app I'm using to learning more about AI is Brilliant.org, which is the sponsor of this video. Brilliant is the best way to learn math, data science, and computer science interactively. These 3 subjects are important if you want to understand the tech stuff behind AI tools like ChatGPT. Brilliant has a section dedicated to LLMs, which I love. In this section, you learn how LLMs like ChatGPT work. You learn concepts such as bigrams, creativity and coherence, tokens, and temperature. The best part is that you learn all this with interactive exercises that will help you develop your analytical thinking, which is better than just memorizing formulas or equations, and it's necessary if you want to survive in the new AI age, where tools like ChatGPT are getting smarter quickly. To try everything Brilliant has to offer free for a full 30 days, visit brilliant.org/thepycoach. The first 200 of you will get 20% off Brilliant's annual premium subscription. Alright, that's it for this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section and I'll do my best to help you out. And well, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.